Do as we're told.
Yeah, the beginning of every Vlogmas is going to be herding cats, as usual. Merry Vlogmas!
What is he like?
Every time. So the postal service are on strike at the moment, which means my calendar's not arrived and Mum's calendar's not arrived. It's totally fine. More presents when they do.
Yeah.
But that means that I've kind of cheated again with day 2.
Do I get a different colour today?
It'd be really funny if I'd just done the same colour over and over and over again. Oh look, it's the same reel of thread.
Oh, great! Lovely. Thank you so much, my love.
We don't need to put it back in the bag.
This is going to be very nice. More threads. Where are we going to put them?
Well, yeah. That was, So
I hear something's in the pipeline.
Yes. Yeah, there's another Nedby unit being
How
delivered.
you can fit any more in here, I don't know.
But we
But
can.
there you
Actually, apparently the gap, I measured it, the gap back there is actually perfect.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So,
Clearly it was planned.
Yeah.
well, yes. Right, so last night
We did.
I ate my dinner really quickly, so I worked it out first and then passed it over to these
Worked
two.
out what?
The clue.
Oh, you didn't say that.
Oh, sorry, yes, the clue for the
Yeah.
dad's calendar.
Yes.
We worked it out individually because we were eating dinner on our laps last night. And it was very well
It's
done,
very
wasn't
clever.
it?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
got there first.
You
Then
had
Dad,
to,
then me.
It took me a long time to get to the point
Yeah.
of like recognising what
Yeah.
was going on though.
If
Yeah.
you do puzzles and things, it makes life easier because you just have to think laterally and out of the
Yeah.
box.
Yes.
And then it becomes really apparent.
Yes.
It's staring you in
I
the
know,
face.
when
It
you,
really
when you
was,
see it.
yeah.
But it's not what you expect.
No. So what we're going to do is we're not going to, I think I said this yesterday, but we're not going to show you the envelopes so that if anyone else has this game, then we're not ruining it
Yeah.
for them. Also, at the end of this Advent season, I'm going to give this game away. I'm going to do like a draw to pass it on to somebody else because there's no reason that we can't pass this on to somebody else. And
Well,
it's a
it'll
lot
be
of
in
fun.
pristine condition, won't
Exactly.
it? Yeah.
The only
There's
thing
no
that's-
writing on it or anything
No,
like
the
that.
only thing that's going to have changed is that all of the envelopes will have been opened. They were all
Yeah.
slightly stuck down.
Oh, right.
I can show you the clues though because, oh hello, we did get it right. Envelope number 2.
Does that show on there?
Yeah, there we go. White balance. Yeah, we got it right. Envelope number 2. Oh, it's double-sided again.
Not much on the back.
Not much on the back. And the front is this. So again, we are going to try and solve this later on today.
We will.
We'll open the next envelope on camera tomorrow. I'm going to check to make sure that we've got the right one because the last thing we want to do is think we've got the right envelope, open it on camera, it's wrong, and then we have to resolve the clue because then my Vlogmases are going to take forever. So I will check. It took us a while to puzzle it out last night. I have ideas about this
Look who's
one
there.
already.
You can't say, but look who's there.
Yes. But yeah, that's a much quicker start to Vlogmas than yesterday. It's a filming day for me. I've just filmed my outfit of the day, so I'm going to upload that, and then I'm going to get on with the November lookbook, December plans, and try and refilm the Holston skirt thing because it was out of focus.
Yep.
Oh, no.
You haven't asked me if I'm missing chocolate.
I did yesterday.
Did you?
I'm not going to ask you every day.
Well,
Also,
you can ask me every day.
not when I'm drinking a hot chocolate in front of you.
Oh.
It's delicious.
Okay.
No, the reason we're not having chocolate, well, they're not having chocolate this year is because we're all on keto, and it's working.
It is. Yes.
But we're already planning
I'm disappearing.
massive sins for Christmas Day, aren't they?
We're going to have a day off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Potatoes and bread.
And then
And
suffer
chocolate.
for the next 3 days.
Yes.
But hey.
Yes.
It'll be gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Have you ordered the Christmas joint yet?
No, we haven't.
Ooh.
Keep.
I think we ought to go because it's going to be island meats, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, no, we
had to
went.
do it online.
We went and they said you have to do it online. That's
That's
why
why
we didn't do it in
Oh, I
person.
went online and it wouldn't receive anything. I can ring them up.
Maybe we'll go somewhere
Yeah.
else then.
Yes,
anyway,
we must do it soon.
Yes.
We can't
Because
arrive on
otherwise
the day
we'll
and have
starve.
nothing.
So yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed day 2 of
Yep.
calendars. There's going to be some really exciting calendars when
And
ours
it's really
finally arrive.
bright sunshine outside.
Oh,
it's
it's
a gorgeous
gorgeous.
day.
Rachel's arrived.
Oh, right.
Oh,
Rachel's
she's got
arrived.
hers.
Yes.
When did it arrive?
It arrived the day that it was meant to, Tuesday.
Oh, right.
Brilliant.
Okay.
And she set it up and it looks
Yeah.
beautiful.
All right, excellent. Nothing
Yes.
broken.
Not that she mentioned. I think it would be very obvious if something had broken.
Have to have a look.
Yes. Yeah, she started last night with was the night before Vlogmas, and so she set them all up. So
Right.
Anyway, we'll stop waffling at you, and we'll see you in a little bit. Well, we'll see you tomorrow for more calendar fun, but I shall see you in a little bit for more waffle.
Okay.
I have a mountain of work to do today, but I want to reorganise some more fabric to see if I can move some more patterns over. This is probably not a wise decision, but it's not going to take me very long, to be honest. The thing that I'm thinking of moving is my quilting fabrics, because they are kind of stuck right in the corner at the moment, and I have some of my blue boxes down the bottom which are empty. So I'm thinking if I move the quilting fabrics over there, I can put the bag making fabrics together again, which will please me greatly because they are currently separated. That would mean that I can move the silks over, and I can move one of these over there, which would mean I can move some patterns over, which would please me greatly. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get on with the filming. Oh, and as well, I don't know if you can see, but I have my monstera leaf earrings on that Rachel gave me for my birthday this year. I haven't worn them up until now because I always wear such printed and colourful outfits, you know, like such bright prints and things like that, that there wasn't the right green to go with them, if that makes sense. And so today's outfit, because it's so plain, works perfectly. So yeah, a little bit of monstera leaf. Got to have some leaves in there somewhere, apparently. It's me we're talking about. So it's not going to take very long. Let's move those little bits of fabric over, and it will also help because then I can get out the scraps that I want to put together for those like larger off-cut bundles that I did before. Move a few things around, then I'll get on with the filming. Good plan. Okay, so it's this bag making pile here that I want to put in that cubby hole back there, and that cubby hole there is full of my quilt stuff. And to be fair, I probably could maybe move these around to somewhere a bit more. Yeah, maybe if I move those and I can move, ooh, maybe, we'll see. Well, I said I wanted to clear out 5 spaces, and technically I have. I mean, I did move some bits and pieces around. I have moved my zips over there because I'm going to take the coffee machine out of here, because since I got the velvetizer I don't use it anymore. So the faux fur has gone over there. But yeah, well, I've cleared out 4 of these cubby holes. The patterns or the CD towers are looking a little bit bare. I've only got 1 shelf of PDF patterns to transfer over, although I don't think all of these paper patterns are going to fit in that 1 shelf. I think I might have to have a little bit of a rejig of these and I've sort through again and kind of like an honest look at them. And then this is going to be thread storage, although as I think I maybe said earlier, I can't order, well, I don't know if I did actually. Hang on. That's better. Yeah, I can't order they don't do individual shells for these units, and there is actually space back there to put another one in. The unit itself is £35, but having it delivered is 40 quid. So Mum and I at some point are going to go over to the mainland. We need to anyway for a couple of reasons. So when we do, we will pick up via IKEA one of these units, and maybe even 2 of them, and Dad can have the long bits and then we just get the shelves and the inserts for them, because yeah, this is where I'd like all of the embroidery threads and overlocker threads to live. So yeah, although I have kind of now realised that I've destroyed the background of where I film my twirls a little bit, but never mind. My Christmas present is going to be a backdrop that will come down in front of this so that it's just a plain white backdrop, which hopefully will make the outfits easier to see, because whilst I love the background, it is very, very bright and busy. So yeah, there's that coming. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. I do need to go through my patterns, both PDFs and printed, and sort them out, because there are some that I'm going to sell, like the myosotis and probably the cardamom as well. And again, just because they didn't work for me doesn't mean that they aren't beautiful patterns. And the reason I wanted to try them is because I'd seen them look so lovely on so many other people. They're just really not for me, because yeah, I just didn't like how they looked on me. Yeah, I suppose I can't procrastinate anymore. I am going to have to film the twirls, get that bit done, then I can sit down and do the chatty bits for the 2 videos that are coming out tomorrow and the day after. And then I can start working on my pile of knit projects, which I am excited about, and I do need to get finished because now there is no room for them to go back into the stash. So yeah, but pleased with how this is turning out so far, creating space. And I have 4 empty drawers over in the corner. Not that they're easily accessible, but they are empty drawers if needed, so that's good as well. Right, let's stop procrastinating and actually get on with some filming. I am so doing things out of order today. I haven't done the twirls yet. I have been procrastinating hard, but I have reorganised some of the sewing room, so that's good. I don't know what's wrong. I do know what's wrong with me. I didn't get very much sleep last night, so I'm really struggling today. I'm definitely on a bit of a go slow, so these 2 videos will get filmed. I've decided to postpone refilming the Halston skirt pattern alterations because it's going to take all of my brain power, but I don't need to have makeup on and stuff on for that because the 2 camera bits were fine. It was the pattern manipulation that was out of focus. So yeah, that's just my hands, so I just need to redo my nails for that, make them look nice. But yes, definitely on a bit of a go slow today, although all this reorganisation has been a lot of fun. Right, I better start with the talky bits for November's lookbook, and then we can move on to December's plans, and then possibly I could start maybe cutting something out, which would be exciting because I know what I want to start with. I want to do all the Siroccos. Yeah, I want to get to the Siroccos. So I'm gonna stop waffling at you and get on with some actual filming. And then the final thing that I sewed in December, no, there's a thread on the back. Come here, thread. Okay, I have finished reorganising. I have filmed everything I needed to film. Now I've got to go and edit it all, which means that this is it for Vlogmas Day 2. I always worry that filming days are going to be really short, and they do usually end up being quite short in most cases, but fingers crossed with the shorts and the extra videos that you are seeing. Oh yeah, because you're going to get the lookbook today, as well as this. Fingers crossed you've had enough of me waffling at you today in various different shapes and forms. I love this dress. I really love this dress. I love it so much. I'm definitely going to have to make more of this bodice because it... Chef's kiss! I've never done that before and I clearly didn't do it very well. It is awesome. I love it. Anyway, I have a mammoth editing task ahead of me. To be fair, these 2 videos are some of the easiest to edit, which is great, but I still have to get it done, as well as this. So I'm going to go and do that. Also, I get to give the sewing room back to Mum because she does want to try and finish her friend's present, and it is her friend's birthday on Wednesday next week, so there is a deadline. She does have, like, you know, a reason for wanting to be down here doing the thing. So I'm going to sign off and say good night to you all, or good afternoon. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 2:59 p.m.
Yeah, 3 o'clock. Good afternoon to you all. Sorry I'm leaving you so early, but fingers crossed there's lots of epic lookbook and fabric haul goodness coming your way. I'm in fabric haul. Nothing like being overly ambitious in a month where you have to edit every single day. It'll be fine. It'll be totally fine. Anyway, that's it for Vlogmas Day 2, so I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back tomorrow morning with hopefully envelope number 3. Wish us luck, and I shall see you all then. Bye!